entry here. And let it be known on this videotape, as I'm long the stock, price action held here on the 260 call, and I'm in it. Period. We're going to have bids out to sell right into that red line. So I'm going to put bids out at 263.55 to come off of that long trade. Another 369 down. We're going to see if this price action really comes into play. We failed that last price action, and we got to close above that green line. That's the 200 minute. Otherwise, they'll just slide the bid down. But we got a stop market order in here that will protect that entry. And price action is made here. Resume the tape. Short 1, short 2, short 3. Notice that they're all within the SMF. 369. The 369 up. 369 down. We've got a 369 in progress. We're going to watch the price action made. That's where it was. That's the low of the day. We're going to see how that can consolidate and hold that price action. Okay? And there are some other things that have to happen for this to occur. This MACD, which was overbought, has pulled back. It can't go into a sell signal. It's very close. That's the overbought. That's the short 1, short 2, short 3, and price action there. People need to know what that means. Down here, I'm at 21%, and you're getting price action failure in there because of that. And we're still in the trade. We haven't been stopped out. We know exactly where the bid and ask will be. So we don't get emotional on the little red bar. But rather, because of our entry here, we have the luxury of being more wholesale off of that, and we can go through this little price action here. Here we go. We haven't filled the price action here. If we were to fill this price action, our next entry would be 263.10. I mean 262.10. That's the low. But right now in our MMT platform, we are holding that price action. Even though it's ascending to the left in the price action, it's still holding it. Because what I mean is that price action is ascending to the left. And what does that mean? Well, let's tell you what it means. How's that? Yes, the price action is holding in our mathematical system. However, when you look at the shorter term of that price action, you still have a left side. That means that this price action that's going to be made here has to take out that on heavier volume. That blue line, the 10-minute, has to stop going down. I told people I'm still in the trade and I'm selling out here at 49 cents because the 10-minute has dropped in price. Right now, the 10-minute period is at 263.54. I'm going to be a seller right below here. And we went right up there and they slid that bid. And this market is holding that price of that 260 call. That's retail 1135. We sold it on the open. If you don't believe it, then go fetch the video. We sold it on the open up here, and now we're buying wholesale down here. There's a big difference between retail and the SMF options market maker wholesale prices. And we're sliding that bid because, okay, all right, go with that. You're talking about, so we're 184 by 80. Look, do you see how, what's a teeny? Okay, look at the bid and the ask, and I bet you'll find damn near a teeny between them at times, or a half teeny. So having that below the market is the right thing to do. Okay. Right. That's right. Okay, but they will follow. Yeah, because it's $4.67 down. Um, we are holding that price action, Scotty. We went slightly 12 pennies below it, and they made a market faster than you could whip Van Winkle. Well, that's 40 some odd pennies. That means that we're getting wholesale. You're right, Peter Brady. And that's a good bid below there. If they slide it, you get caught right there at that entry, and then that sharp bounce gives you that stop market, right? Okay, good. Price action was made, Scotty, again. I've got to go back to this real quick. That's the right way, Peter. You hear me? All right, back. Scotty, didn't I talk about all these prices on the 260 call? Along with, oh, wow. Here, I got to go to Peter Brady's trade. Just keep doing that. All right, price action here. Price action, Peter Brady got hit. Wow. Now check out what Peter Brady did. Mark and all you new people. Did Peter, oh, what a slide. That's a beautiful short. All right, Peter Brady got hit at what? How many pennies? Okay, Peter Brady got hit at 37 pennies. It's 21 pennies wide between the bid and ask. Is Peter Brady shaken up because he didn't pay at 189.82?